Hey guys, today I came up with another complicated programming question, that is mirror tree. Now let us consider one example for understanding this problem statement. Now as you can see here, there are two trees. This is the first tree and this is the second tree. Now this is the root of the first tree and this is the left child of the root node and this is the right child of the root node. Similarly, one is the root node of the secondary, and two is the left child of the secondary, and three is the right child of the secondary. Now, if we see that secondary is the exactly mirror of the first tree, right? Because it is looking like the mirror image, right? if if and only if secondary is the mirror image of the first tree, then we'll be printing the output as yes, else we should print the output as no in the smaller case letters, right? Now let us look at the coding part of it. First of all, we'll be looking at the how to take the input. This is the number of trees, means we'll be taking the number of trees as input of n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, that is nothing but 2, means we'll be taking 2 trees. After that, first two are the input of the first tree, means up to the n minus 1, up to the n minus 1 inputs, that is the input of the first tree, and next n minus 1 inputs are for the second tree. Now I'll be explaining you what is this input looks like. Now it is the means all the first digits are root nodes. Now the next digit in every line is nothing but the right child or left child of the tree. That will be that means that will be also defined in the input. Here, as you can see here, it is defined as the right child of the tree. No, and 3 is defined as the left child of the tree. 2 is defined as the left child of the tree, and 3 is defined as the right child of the tree. Now let us take the input in the similar way as given here in the coding part. I'll be writing the code in the C language. Now first let me clear all this input. Let me reload it. Yeah. Now let us take the input of n. That is nothing but number of trees. I am scanning the input as integer type, that is percentile d ampersand n. Now let us take the input for first tree, int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Now before that will be we should construct the structured data type, that is struct tree. We'll be taking the root node, right? First root node, then data for some node, that will be node name will be given in the input itself, means node name means it is nothing but left child or right child, that will be given in the character data type, character form, that will be L or R. Now for this structure data type, we should be creating the structure array. For that struct tree, I'll be creating t1. T1 means tree 1. We'll be taking the size as n minus 1, and again for t2 it's n minus 1 size. After that we'll be taking the input for the first tree. First input data type is integer, second input data type is integer, and third input data type is character. Now for that ampersand tree 1, right? For tree 1 we should be taking the input. Up to n minus 1 only you'll be taking the inputs. Ampersand t1 of I dot root, for root node first you will be taking. Then after that ampersand t1 of I dot data. What is this data belongs to, either left or right child. For that we'll be taking the character input t1 of I dot node name. Exactly we'll be taking for the secondary also. Just we'll be changing this t1 as t2. That's it. Now input has been success we have taken all the inputs for the first tree and secondary. Now we'll be writing the logic here. First we'll be writing unequal cases, means which will be gives rise to not a mirror tree. Non-mirror tree cases. Now for that we'll be writing the for loop again. Int I equal to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. Now we'll be writing the if condition here. First inequality case is that a of I dot root not equal to b, sorry, it's not a of I, it's t1 of I, t1 of I. Then it's not equal to t2 of I dot root. If roots are not equal, then it's not a mirror of the, means t2 is not the mirror of t1. Or next condition is that if t1 of I not equal to t2 of I, t1 of I dot data not equal to t2 of I dot data, means now let me show you what it means. Now t1 of I dot data means initially this one is the t1 data and this is the t2 data. These two should be equal. If these two are not equal, then it is not a mirror of the then t2 is not the mirror of t1. Then another case is these should be equal. If these two are not equal also, it is not, t2 is not mirror of the t1. Likewise, if this is the right child, in this it should be definitely left child. In secondary it should be left child. It is for the first tree. These two inputs are for first tree, these two inputs are for secondary. Likewise, in the secondary second node, if the second node is right child, then in first tree the second node must be the left child. Then only these two are mirror of the, means t2 is the mirror of t1. Else it is not the mirror of t1. Now let us write the third condition also. What is the unequal case? T1 of I dot node name equal to T2 of I dot node name. These two should not be equal, no. If these two are equal, then we should print no. Means these all three are unequal conditions. If these three are inversely satisfied, then we will be printing yes. If these three conditions are satisfied here itself, we'll be printing no, and return 0 here itself, return 0. Then program will be terminating here itself. It will be not going to check for the next lines of the code. else those three conditions are not satisfied, we'll be printing yes. Yes, and return 0. That's it. These are all the inequality cases. Means these all are for the non-mirror tree. If it is if the second tree is not mirror of the first tree, then it will be falling in this if condition cases. Else it will be means if second tree is exactly mirror of the first tree, then it will be not falling in this three cases. And after this comparison in the for loop, then it will be directly printing yes. Else if it is not the if second tree is not mirror of the first tree, then it will be falling in this any of these test cases. It will be simply printing no here, and it will be terminating program here itself. Now let us check for the test base test cases. Yeah, it successfully passed the base test case. Now let us check for the hidden test cases also. Yeah, Congo. It has been also passed all the hidden test cases. Thank you.